wearing my St. John belt. And she's with me right now. It's her first time out. I'm very excited. This actually is like a mirror. The closure in Palladium, you can see your face and use it as a mirror. Pretty awesome. Look at this beautiful car. Ferrari. Mercedes. What a nice car. And outside you still have the ox in there. Well, it's not so good to come here on the weekend. Almost a lot of stores that are popular have lines, so a lot of people. Let's check Max Mara. So this is what they have right now. And here's my baby. So the heart is already getting stamped. This one actually is like a mirror. The Palladium hardware. You can see your face. So I use it as a mirror. Pretty cool. And this is what they have left for Macaron. And they have still the heart left. One heart. Oh, they have a new back now, the cream. So, and my bag. Very nice. Beautiful red and gold hardware. And they have a new tricolor now. This one is 3 colors. Beautiful. Let's see. Wow, so pretty. And this one is a white Gabi slouchy with silver hardware, and the nano is back again in stock. Wow, this is like as big as my palm. It's so adorable. This one is a gold hardware. Very pretty. I think this is the ocean, this is the mint. They have the orange. So pretty. Card holders. And this one. This is the classic color. Powder. Like a cream with Palladium. I don't know if this comes with this belt. So yeah.
So, but you got a really good bag.
Yeah, very nice, so pretty. Let's show the hat stamp. Thank you, Christine.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look at that. So pretty. And oh gosh.
So this is
that
the Gabrielle BB
Uh-huh.
that we will have the gold hardware. It's a 24 gold plate on the Palladium.
Wow, this is Gabrielle is my most favorite
The
bag
ultimate favorite
in the world.
You know, a
Yeah.
lot of people do like our Gabrielle also because this is lightweight, so easy to use.
Very lightweight.
Yeah, we have different sizes too.
I actually was wearing my mini the whole week last week. Only today I changed.
Yeah.
So since I bought my Mona bag, I've used them more than any
Yeah,
bag.
it's so easy to use.
Yeah, and very light.
Gabby too, I love it.
Yeah, it's so light.
What's that?
The charm, the heart.
Yes,